Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you a grilled cheese hot dog sandwich. Alright, and this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some hot dog buns, and you're going to need some cheese. This is American cheese. Show you guys that. I already sampled one out. This is American cheese, like deluxe or whatever. You can use Velveeta or whatever you want to use. You need some butter, okay? And you're gonna need some hot dogs. All right, so let's get to it. All right, guys. I'm gonna put this to the side. Get my hot dogs out. I think I'm gonna make about 4 of these. I'm not gonna cook this whole pack, guys. Okay, this is Nathan's, and this pack of 24 beef hot dog franks costs about 13 bucks, I believe. So I'm just gonna like open this up. All right, put this to the side. Wipe this juice up that I made a mess with. It's gonna get a little bit messy anyway. So you ain't gotta be perfect, guys. It's just cooking, right? Alright, you go ahead and line these up like so. And all we're gonna do with this is split them. I ain't gonna probably use all of these, because I think I only need 3 per hot dog. I'm just gonna cut these down like so. Not all the way. Try to get it even as possible, guys. This one we're gonna do, we're gonna open these up like this. So I'm gonna end up probably using 2 per sandwich. And that's 1 right here. Here's 2. Cut this one down. That's 3. Get this out the way, man. Come on, man. Messing around over here, bro. Alright. Alright, and that's 4. Alright, we're gonna fry these up, because we can't put no cold dog on no making a sandwich. You know what I'm saying? This don't sound right to me. Okay? So I'm gonna take you guys over there with my cheese and my hot dog bun and my butter. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I did spray put a little butter in that. I used a little spray butter right here, a Crisco. So we're just gonna place these in here like so. I'm trying to put them in here like this. Try to lay them flat if that's possible. Okay. This one want to act a fool, so should have used a bigger skillet. I could have, or I should have used my grill. One or the other, right? But I like making grilled cheese in this, and I ain't trying to mess up a whole bunch of dishes, because I gotta clean it up. Okay, so we'll just do a few of them at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. See if I get this one flattened down. If you got a press, you can use a press to put on there, like so. But obviously this one ain't big enough. See? Look at that. It ain't big enough, guys. So, let me see if I can open this up a little bit more. Get this mother laying in there flat. So we don't have, with this thing right here, it works wonders. Okay? So, but you can put a plate or something like that on there if you wanted to. I'm gonna turn this up on medium just to get that warmed up. Wash my hands off. Alright, I don't have, that ain't big enough, so what I'll do, I'll take this thing right here. And just plug, this thing is heavy too, by the way. And I'm not advertising, but I got, you know, it's Blackstone. So this mug, I mean, it really works really wonders for real, for real. It came with something like this. As you can see, I was cooking on a grill, and I like left that on there and burned it up a little bit. But it's good quality. I also have these right here. Okay. I paid 29 bucks, I believe, for that. For these. These came together in the bundle. Not this press. But those, this, and some tongues that I purchased. Let me show you those. These right here. And they really durable. They strong. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 pieces for like 29 bucks, I believe. I got them at Walmart. Helps me out anyway. Just thought you guys want to know. You know, sometimes you look at a video, you be like, where you get that from? I got it from Walmart. Got this from Walmart too, which I ain't gonna be able to use because I should have had a bigger skillet. So we're gonna turn this up a little bit more, guys, because I like mine to be a little bit more warm. They ain't gotta be like super, because I mean you can eat the hot dogs. I just like a little brownness to mine, okay? Do that make sense? I'm gonna press down on this side. That going. Alright guys, anyway, you're gonna cook this because I know you're gonna sit here and watch me do this. You're going to cook this on medium for about good 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes on each side, okay? But just till it get brown. If you don't want it too brown, you don't have to cook it that long. You just at least want to warm it up, okay? Alright guys, when I get done with this, I'm going to wash this skillet out and we're going to be making us some grilled cheese hot dogs. So stay tuned in. Okay guys, I'm back. So that's how brown I want mine. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And finish up some other hot dogs, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. Now let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some butter in here, just like this. We're gonna take our bread, and we're gonna put it in there just like so. Then we're going to take our cheese, put this on here, 2 pieces of cheese on each side. Now we'll put hot dog on each side of these, like so. Then we're going to take us some more cheese. We're going to put those on there. So it's a total of 4 slices of cheese on there. And we take our other, we do this side, okay? Now if you ever eaten at McDonald's or Burger King, I worked there too. This is how they make their grilled cheese with their buns. Okay, I'm not lying to you. Trust me when I tell you. I already did the other few over here. So, just lay that one in there. I can only do 2 at a time. And we're going to cook it nice and slow. That's right. Till it get golden brown on each side. Alright? Alright, we're going to put this, guys, smash down on it however you want to do it. We have medium on 4 electric stove. You probably need on the 3 on the gas. We're just going to cook it nice and slow. Okay, guys? I'm going to flip this over in probably about 3 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back and I'm done. That's it right there. Grilled cheese. See if guys can get a glance at that. Grilled cheese, hot dogs. No doubt about it. Something different for the kids. You guys can check that out. Kids will definitely love it. I'm not gonna lie to you. But that's it right here. So, there it is. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. And please share my videos out. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'm out.